He's been in prison for more than 20 years, and now new evidence could set a Sauk County man free. And that's tonight's top story. Good evening. I'm Sarah Carlson.
And I'm Eric Franke. The night team's David Douglas spoke with Sauk County residents who are still looking for answers here. David?
Terry Volbricht, Eric, was convicted in 1989 of raping and killing a woman, leaving her body hanging from a tree by a chain. Now, after years of work by the Wisconsin Innocence Project, he could get a new trial.
Nobody in town ever really thought he did it.
Now attorneys for Terry Volbricht must convince a new jury of his peers the same.
Something never seemed right about it.
Kim Hartke was just a kid when Angela Hackle was murdered, but in criminal justice classes at UW-Platteville, she researched the case for a project.
The more I read about the case and how there was evidence that was never submitted or, wasn't looked at, it just didn't seem right.
For years now, attorneys at the Wisconsin Innocence Project have been doing their own research. Co-director Keith Finley says Volbricht's conviction was never a slam dunk.
It was a circumstantial case that the prosecutor put together a bunch of pieces of little evidence to construct a case.
Now they plan to rely on new evidence, and evidence which was never presented. Like statements they claim Kim Brown, a man convicted of another area murder, made to a cellmate. Kim frequently talked about chaining and tying up women and slapping them around. He would get excited and aggressive. His face would light up and he would laugh.
The system is designed to make it difficult to overturn a conviction once a conviction has been obtained. So there's some pretty high obstacles to overcome.
He shouldn't just be released for it, but I do believe that he should give a fair chance to prove himself.
Attorneys for the state can appeal the decision to reopen the case. If not, the court will set a trial date. For their part, a spokesperson for the Department of Justice says today this is, quote, not the end of this matter, and they spent a significant amount of time and energy upholding Mr. Volbricht's conviction.
The night team's David Douglas reporting tonight. Thank you so much, David.